Hi splendid lovers, welcome to another amazing video. So guys, in today's video I'm sharing with you how you can go from zero order to fully booked, like fully booked in your cake business. Okay, so let's just dive right into the video. Number one point for this is going to be create offers. A baker that sells banana bread, cupcake, cake slice, normal like celebration cake, which is birthday cakes, anniversary cake, wedding cakes, right? Now, sometimes your customer don't actually know what to buy from you. Yes, trust me, your customers don't know what to buy from you. So you have to create offers to help them actually like know what to order and what to buy from you. And your offer also is going to like it's just going to encourage them to buy from you. By offers, I mean if you make banana bread, you make let's say tiger nuts drink, or you make zobo, or even chapman, right? And you make cake slice as well. You can tell them, oh, buy banana bread with zobo and something else. You know what you actually make in your cake business for this amount. Now, the beautiful thing about creating offers, you let them know, oh, if you want to buy just one banana bread and one zobo drink, maybe you are selling one banana bread for 7K and a bottle of zobo for 2,500 or 2,000, making 9,500. If you make it like create an offer, you can say, oh, I'll be selling this as a combo for 9,000 naira. So you are going to be saving 500 naira if you buy this combo. Sounds right, sounds interesting, right? It's going to attract your customer, right? So create those offers, let your customer know what they now. This is what you would be able to achieve with this offer. Someone that bought banana bread needs like a very refreshing drink to wash it down, like we say, right? So this offer has just helped you like create something, a snack and a drink to go with it, right? And even at a cheaper rate. Do you get? Even at a cheaper rate, trust me, people love free things. They love free things, they love cheap things. So once they hear that, oh, I'm giving discounts, they are going to patronize you. Okay. Number one point, create offer, right? Even if it's celebration cakes and maybe meat pie. Oh, I'll be giving you my size 8-inch four layer cake, like a birthday cake, and a platter of small chops, right? Together as a combo. Trust me, someone that want to celebrate is our birthday. Oh, they'll think of it. I have a cake and I really do not want to cook. Then they have chops to serve their guests with. They will really buy that idea and they will want to patronize you. Okay, I've made examples of two offers that you can create. It does not mean that if you don't make banana bread before as a baker, you should go and make banana bread. You know what you make already. Okay, out of those your products, create your offers from them. Okay, as a baker, there's nothing that you would be doing right now that you cannot create an offer out of it. Your offer might be as little as saying, oh, for the month of June, for all my June celebrants, I'll be giving out my size 8-inch cake 4 layer for instead of maybe 60,000 naira, it will be going out for 58,000 naira, save 2,000 naira when you order for this month of July. That's an offer. You've created an offer, so you don't have to do too much. Just think and create that offer that you know people are going to love. Okay. Now, number two is use social media to your advantage. Trust me, social media, you can get lots and lots of customers, but it depends on how you handle your business on the social media space. Okay, you cannot post today and the next time you are posting is next 3 months. If you want to sell on social media, you cannot post today and the next time you are posting is next 3 months, and you expect someone to come to your page, be it Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook. You expect someone to come to your page and patronize you. It's not going to work that way. For you to sell on social media, you have to have a social media presence. Okay, you have to be consistent with your posting. If possible, you have to be posting not less than 3 times to okay, let's say 2 times a day. Okay, you should not be posting less than 2 times a day if you want to sell on social media. Now, I know that starting out as a beginner, you might not really have like maybe you're not getting orders. The goal is actually for you to go from your zero order to fully booked, right? Now, starting out, you are at that stage of let's say zero order or 2 to 3 orders a month or even one order a week at right at that initial stage. What you can actually do is go online, right? Go to those bakers you feel that they already like have that presence on this social media platform. Look at what they are doing. Trust me, you don't have to work on a cake before you post. You don't have to work on a cake before you post on this platform, right? Just you can make a sit down video, you are opening your shop, like your morning routine, how you clean your shop, how you arrange things, and how you set up is content. Like everything is content. For you to sell on social media platform, you have to be a content creator. Posting, getting the picture of your work and just posting it on social media is not enough for you to sell. People love behind the scenes these days. They want you to take them along on. They want to see, oh, this is the place. When you order for me, this is where I'm going to be baking your cake. This is my cake studio. This is how I do this. My morning routine. Your market. You see, you going to the market to get that 1 kg of sugar or flour you want to get is a content. Take your phone and record as much as you can. Okay, just make sure you are posting minimum 2 times a day, right? For you to buy anything on social media, you have to trust the vendor for you to actually patronize them. And how do you build that trust between yourself and your intending customer? They have to be able to tell that you are constant, okay, and you are always posting. Those behind the scene video is going to encourage them to patronize you. On to point number 3, create a customer and vendor relationship. This is not particular to cake vendors alone, but we are talking about cake business, right? So let's just stick with that. Now, if a client reach out to you and they are like, good morning, I would love to order banana bread and cupcake from you. You don't just go ahead to say, oh, banana bread 7,000, cupcake 6,500. What happens to the good morning? Because these are little things that can actually make your client even decide not to patronize you. Okay, in as much as you are trying to be professional, right, you still have to like be polite. You have to be polite. And another thing is, after a customer patronize you, even if it's the first time, some of you don't know how to appreciate your customer. Make your customer happy, make them feel welcome, so that they will come back to patronize you. The little thank you message, oh, thank you so much for patronizing my brand, that little message you're just going to send would actually make your customer come back to patronize you, because they really appreciate how you handle them, that customer service you give them. So be polite, make your client happy, and yeah, just build that relationship between your customer and yourself. Okay, there's this tag on WhatsApp that you can use to differentiate different chats, right? It's like you're putting them in groups. Yeah, so just send a bulk message to them. Oh, good afternoon, this message is coming from so and so, your brand name. This is just me trying to check up on you. I hope you are doing great. You can even pitch your offer to them. Okay, just compile that very sweet message. Okay, sweet message. First, you have to ask the person, of course, how he or she is doing. Just make it like very short and simple. Okay, the main goal is reach out to your customer. Don't just after patronize you and that's it. Reach out to your customer. Number 4 point is offer free samples. Some churches, there's this thing they do every month, like every last Sunday of every month, they bake like cake, they celebrate people like celebrants for that month. You can tell them, oh, even if it's as little as a 6-inch 1-layer cake, if that is what you can afford, please leave it at that. Okay, but the goal is that you are marketing your product, right? So you can go ahead and bake that cake. Just tell them, I'll be baking cake for all the celebrants each month. Okay, now once you do that once or twice, and people will taste your cake and they will see that, oh, it's really nice. Trust me, others will start coming in little by little. You can do cake testing. You are a student, you can gather your course mates, your hostel mates, and just give them free samples of your cake. It's not something you should be doing every time, right? But once in a while, just let people have a taste of what you do, right? A taste of your product for free. Okay, and trust me, if you give free cake testing to 50 people, there's no way, like minimum you will not get 2 or 3 orders from that 50 people. It might not be immediately. Okay, you cannot do a cake free cake testing today and be expecting to get order tomorrow, right? But trust me, it's going to make an impact and you are going to get order in return, right? And that's the goal. So create like offer free samples to people. Now, number 5 point is invest in good packaging and branding. There's this thing about people always say we eat with our eyes first, right? Now, you cannot say you want to go deliver, let's say, a small chops platter, and your packaging is nothing to write home about. Even if it's as little, just get that, create packaging. It might not be expensive, but make it look neat. Make it look neat and pleasing. Yeah. So just invest in good packaging. Even if your packaging is as little as getting a regular nylon to wrap your cake. By wrapping it, make it look neat. Be conscious. Don't just do it anyhow and send to your customer. Okay, just make yourself like, oh, if this particular thing is coming to me and it's like this, will I accept it? Would this be pleasing to my sight? Would I really love it? Because you are going to give somebody what they are actually going to eat. And trust me, people eat with their eyes first. You want to make your packaging really attractive. It should be neat. It should be pleasing to the eyes, okay? So work on your packaging and branding, right? And number 6 point, being the last point, is aggressively promote your business. See, this part, I don't know. I don't, some people, you are doing business and you are not on social media. You are not promoting your business like physical marketing. You are not doing that. You have a shop, you just open your shop, you sit down. Some people, they have a shop, you not even go as far as making a cake sample for at that your shop, so that people that are passing by, they know that, oh, this is what they actually do here. This is a place where they bake cake. You won't do that. And I keep wondering, how do you expect these orders to actually come in? You have to market. You cannot be going to that class and you don't have any of, thank God for tote bag. If you know the person that actually created that bag, they knew what they were doing. As a baker, you don't have that bag. What are you doing? See, that bag can swallow as many fuel cakes as possible. Take it along with you. You are going to that church rehearsal. After church, oh, my beloved sister, this is what I do. I have my cake sample. This, just make those like very little products that you can sell that are not so expensive, depending on where. It can be at your office. You can be running a 9 to 5 and a own bakery business at the same time. Yes, there are people that actually do that. So you are going to that your office and there's no product. None of your product is with you. And see, how are you expecting to actually sell? You have to always have like something. It might be chin chin, like just make chin chin, package it very nicely and sell it. Cupcake, cakes, like variety of things that you can sell. So please, after watching this video, don't see, it's better you even have your products with you than having your complimentary card. I'm not saying don't go with complimentary card though, but it is better you have your products with you than having your complimentary card. If you have both, is a plus, okay? If you have both, is a plus, but go with your products. If you make a very nice chin chin and people and someone test it and they're like, oh, this is very nice, trust me, they will patronize you for a cake job, because they know that, oh, if you can make something as good as this, there will be like that level of trust they will have for you to deliver a very nice cake job. So just make whatever you feel you can make, but the goal is, don't go to any occasion, event, place, be it school, church, wherever you find yourself. Just use that opportunity to market your products. Okay, so that is it for today's video. I hope you guys are enjoying this series, right? So please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you do not done so, share this video if you can, let it get to as many bakers as possible. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. For now, stay happy, stay blessed, and stay safe. Bye bye.